That's a new launch from Canon. This is called CannonTouch. Okay. Generally, what happens is whenever anyone goes to the washroom, I mean, that person may wash or may not wash the hands. All right.
Yeah.
When he's coming out of the washroom, he holds the handle. He pulls the door, and he comes out. So if he's not washed, he's leaving the bacteria on the door. You know. So what happens is, this is a product which is fitted just above the handle. Okay. It does not have any battery, nothing. But every time anyone pulls the handle and goes out, it sprays.
Okay, see the spray
automatically.
Okay, that's great. That's good.
Okay, a disinfectant which sanitizes this complete handle. So if he has left any bacteria, that bacteria is destroyed. Therefore, the next person who comes out, you know, and he uses the door, he has nothing to worry about. Okay. Morris will tell you something more about the product.
Yeah? Yes, and I'll tell you about just on the spread of germs. They did a report about 6 months ago in America where they, in an office with 80 people working in the office, they put a surrogate for norovirus, just the winter vomiting drug, onto one door handle. And then they tested all, every 2 hours, they tested all of the people working in the office, 80 people. Within 4 hours, 60% of the people in that office had traces of the norovirus, which they had picked up. They had only put it on one door handle, and not everybody touched that door handle, but yet it was able to spread around the office. So what this unit does is just stops cross-contamination. You know, if one person goes into work sick, they might make everybody sick by just touching the door handle. So it just eliminates the door handle as a source of cross-contamination. And we have all the clinical trials that are done. We can prove that it works. And we do a lot of testing on door handles. So it's a great new product.
Canon Clear is a product which is used basically for, one is completely deodorizing or killing all the malodors, as well as to sanitize the air. Mark and Richard will tell you a little more on this product.
The product deodorizes. It uses photoplasma, ozone, and ultraviolet light. So it reduces all your smells, gets rid of your smells, but it also kills bacteria, around 80% in 2 hours.
And what is the area that it captures?
Up to about 60 meters square on the ground, with a ceiling height of around 2.2 meters. This is our main product. This is the one we designed. So yeah.
And
very low maintenance, just a bulb change once a year.
It also has the option of a boost button. So on the back here there is a slight boost, so you can boost as a bonus for the eradication of the smells in the area, and then it will flow straight back onto all the other technology. So it's innovative in its own right.